decided to switch things up for Christmas, and instead of going to country as is customary for us, we decided to do a snowcation. Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Hack by Banks. I'm Sasha, and if you click the thumbnail, then you want to know about our Christmas vacation in Toronto. So we decided that we wanted to go and see snow and take the baby to see snow for Christmas instead of staying at home doing what we usually do. Guys, when I say no snow, all it did was rain. It rained so much, but we still managed to enjoy the time and find things to do. So I'm going to just show you a few of the things that we did when we were in Toronto. Highlights of our trip was that we decided to stay in downtown Toronto for a few days and do sightseeing. Our time in downtown Toronto, where we stayed, what we did, and how we spent our time. First of all, we're staying at the Residence Inn in downtown Toronto. It's on Wellington Street. With some of the sites are the Ripley's Aquarium, the CN Tower. We're like 5 minutes walk from those activities, 10 minutes walk from a mall. Basically, we are in the entertainment district. Not that we're going to go anywhere in the night, but it just means that there are lots of bars, restaurants, and things to do, places to go, things to see. The Residence Inn, we booked a studio, which has a kitchen, a full kitchen, and I'll give you a tour of that shortly, and a bathroom, a living area, and a bedroom, and it has a little dining area as well. So it's a studio. We paid about 150 US per night for this room, and we have a view of the city. It's not much of a view, but we can see the top of the CN Tower from where we are. One of the reasons we chose this hotel is because it has breakfast included, so we can just wake up, put on our clothes, and head downstairs for breakfast. Breakfast is between, I think, 6 and 10, and so we have that convenience. One of the other things that we like about this unit is the kitchenette, so it allows me to have some more flexibility, especially with the baby. So I can make little things for him to eat, and it's easy for me to wash his cups and many spoons and forks and whatever we carry for him, and make his tea, milk, whatever you name it. We also have a full stove and a dishwasher in the unit, so it makes it easier for us to do what we need to do in one place. So it's almost like home away from home then, from a comfort level. It's not the most modern hotel. We looked at some other more modern ones, but we chose this because of the price and the location. And yeah, the price and the location, guys. Because we're not trying to spend too much money here. As usual, we're trying to save and still have a good experience. So when you walk into this suite, you walk directly into the room. You have the kitchen here, and we have unpacked a lot of our things already. So Royal, what is that you're doing? Right. We have a full kitchen with a full-size fridge. We have a 2-burner cooktop, a microwave, coffee maker, a dishwasher, toaster oven, sink. All of these came with the room, guys. And this is for the dishwasher. And we got some coffee and tea. And they gave us all the plates and cups that we need. And I believe the pots are down here. Utensils, cooking utensils, eating utensils. This is a full kitchen. We also have a little dining area. It has only 2 seats where he has put his stuff on it, but this is a dining area, and look at this. We won't dare to drink one of these, right? We brought our own water. But this is a desk in case you have work to do, and a living room. Royal, baby, I thought you were turning on the lights for me. TV over there, and the bed is right here. This is a king bed, guys. And this is our view of downtown Toronto. This is our view, and if you look up above this building, you'll see the CN Tower. That's how close we are, and right beside the CN Tower is the Ripley's Aquarium, which we'll be visiting. But this area seems to have everything. We walked the streets earlier. The Popeyes is down there. There's a Subway down there. There's almost everything in this little area that you need. And this is our bathroom. Well, this is the closet, first of all, with our coats and the suitcases in it. This is the vanity area. Hey guys. And this is a bathroom. So we have a full 4-piece bathroom because we have the tub, which is convenient to bathe the baby, and we have the shower. So this is the room, and yeah,
down, look down. Look down, look down.
Look down.
Down, not up.
Look down.
Look down there. Down. Not up. Look.
Not up, down.
Look. Ooh.
Alright, so I'm wearing a oversized shirt and an oversized sweater, jeans, but I have leggings under the jeans, socks, and my boots. This shirt is thick, otherwise I would have an undershirt under it, but I'm just going to put my puffer coat over this and we are off to the streets. Alright, so this is our hotel. We just came downstairs. This is the dining room. You can see through the glass. And we're going to walk to the end of this street, turn left, and you will be at the CN Tower. Today we're going to go up to, well, we're not doing the CN Tower today. We did that last night. We're going to go to the Ripley's Aquarium to take Royal to see that. Should be interesting. We went before when we came without a baby, so it should be interesting to see how he reacts to it. And there we have it, the CN Tower, but it's so foggy you can't see the top. It's a good thing we went yesterday, because if we went today we wouldn't be able to see down here either. Views wouldn't be that nice. Here we go. So we'll turn left at the end of this street and then we'll cross the road and we'll be there. That Rory? So the shark them
There's a shark. That's a shark.
Look at this stingray.
Look at the stingray.
Guys, so today is the last day. We haven't done much walking because the weather has been so terrible, but we are going to it's kind of clearing up today. There's no rain and we can see the top of the buildings and the top of the CN, and out there even looks like, you know, there's some sun. So we're going to go out. We're going to take the, what them name, Rory? Streetcars. Just up to, just to carry the baby on one. And then I think that's it for today. We're probably going to check out and head back up to, well, out of the city. But follow us, guys, as we tour a little part of the city.
See it?
We're gonna turn on King Street, which is up there.
What is it? A bicycle.
Wow!
Bicycle.
Where is it?
See it?
We're gonna go on this.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. On the Marshalls, and the Jamaican in me has to go inside. Alright guys, so I had to find the home section, and look at these cute little tables. These are 25 Canadian dollars. $12 for the vase, $12 for this. I'm sure this in a Fontana for like how much thousands, but we're not bash Fontana, right? And all of these are on clearance for $20 and $25. Look at home things, and I have no space to carry any of them, and I'm not even going to go around here. No, I'm have to go down there, so let's see what's down there. Alright, well, I don't have much time left. Gats to go. $16 for that. Oh my god, we have no space, or I'll be picking up a few of these things. Right. Alright guys, it's a wrap of downtown Toronto, and it's a pretty clear day today. We can see the top clearly. Say bye bye, Royal. Say bye bye. Tell the cars on the street bye bye. You're not telling the cars on the street bye bye? Tell the buildings bye bye. Bye bye, buildings.